Right, here's the story of what was wrong with this one. Let me put you over here, up on the log. Right, the reason I couldn't start it first off was the idle screw was too far out. That was my fault. Was not breathing enough air, but I did get it to run. But it not used to still setting. They're a Zema carby, so they're a bit different. But what was actually wrong with this thing? It caused the motor to overheat. Is the diaphragm for the fuel pump and that part of the carby. It's a black plastic top, and there's two flaps for your pump as it pumps the fuel in and out of the carby. One was not up; it was absolutely slightly bent, like sideways, just a touch. If you look at just the right light, you'll see it. But now I've replaced the carby kit, plus the piston, plus the cylinder, plus the seals. It now runs right. But that's the first time I ever come across that actual problem where it wouldn't rev in low. You'd try and rev it up and just go, So just replace the diaphragm on your carby. I replaced the spark plug too, so every little base is covered. But it's just that diaphragm. The fuel regulating diaphragm, that was fine. I replaced it anyway, but just that little piece of plastic was causing this little saw. As I said before, little saws, a little tiny change can change the way they act so much, it's not funny. Anyway, move on to the next Clone Wars. Thanks guys.